Today, I'm going to show you how to turn $300 worth of material into a $3,000 invoice that the homeowner is excited to pay. And the best part is, the training is 100% free. There is a guy named Mike at remodelresin.com who has spent his whole adult life perfecting this system, and he'll teach you the whole thing for free. Now, I'm not selling you a thing. I'm not an affiliate, and I don't earn commission on this. But I've spent 30 years in the trades, and this is one of the best opportunities I've ever seen to make life-changing money. And I know real opportunities when I see it. So stick with me to the end, and I'll point you straight to the free training. Tack weld that like button for me, guys, and let's get rolling. So here's the trade, resin countertops. Now hear me out, because Mike has been perfecting a system that will blow your mind, and better yet, the homeowner's mind. You pour a liquid over an old ugly counter, a bar, or any flat surface, and it hardens like glass, and it comes out looking like marble, like granite, like natural stone that costs a fortune. Except it isn't stone, it's resin. And a kitchen's worth of resin product straight from Mike is about 300 bucks, sometimes less. And I didn't pull that out of thin air. I researched it, and I heard it straight from the supplier Mike's mouth. Materials run $5 to $15 a square foot. So take an average 40-foot kitchen, that's right around $300 in product. Now here's the part that'll make you sit up straight. That same kitchen, a pro charges $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 to pour it. $3,000, it sits right there in the middle. So do the math with me. 300 in, 3,000 out. That's 10 times your material cost. 10 times! I'm so excited about this because I've been in the trades for 30 years and you almost never see a markup like that, ever. Now compare it to the stuff it's replacing. Granite runs $65 to $90 a foot. Quartz, $95 and up. Marble, over $100 a foot. Your customer gets the high-end look for half the price, and you still walk away with $3,000. Everybody wins, and that is very rare. That it almost never happens in this world. So let me put a year on it. Say you do just 2 kitchens a month. That's not much. 1 weekend each. 2 kitchens at $3,000 a piece is $6,000 a month. That's $72,000 a year, part-time, on top of your regular check if you want. Now push it to 1 kitchen a week, and you're staring down at a $150,000 a year gig. That's the math that made me make this video. Now, is all $3,000 profit? Of course not. Take out your 300 material. You'll need gas, some prep, materials like, tape and plastic, and a little bit of advertising. Your time, sure it costs something, but you're still clearing better than $2,000 a kitchen. Show me another side hustle that beats that. It simply doesn't exist. And it's not just kitchens, it's bar tops, bathroom vanities, a fireplace hearth, window seals, anything flat and horizontal, you can refinish it with this resin. Those are smaller things and they're faster, a few $100 each. Perfect for your first reps, by the way. But first, real quick guys, before I get into this and show you this golden opportunity, I put together a totally free 2026 blue collar resource guide. It's got links to getting started into union jobs, free apprenticeship programs, and grants to start up your own business. It covers all 50 states, and it's totally free, my gift to you. Just hit the link down in the description and grab your free copy. And while you're at it, do me another favor, it's free to you too. Tap that subscribe button and notification bell. It helps us bring 3 fresh new videos to you every single week. I sure appreciate it, fellas. Now let's get into it. Okay, so why does this trade pay so stupid well? Just one word. Nobody's doing it. That's 3 words. You get what I'm saying. Have you tried to hire a contractor lately though? Anybody. A roofer, a plumber, a tile guy, a framer. You can't get most guys to even call you back. The trades are shorthanded everywhere you look. And the older guys, they're hanging it up faster than the young guys are showing up. There's a hole in the market, a big one, especially for this type of work. And here's the kicker, this work is AI proof. You've seen the headlines, they're laying off folks by the thousands every single week. Tech jobs, data entry, desk jobs, a computer ate them up, they say. You know what a computer can't do? It can't drive to a house and pour a beautiful natural stone looking countertop with its 2 hands. It can't. It never will. This is a hands trade, a show up and work trade. It's not going anywhere. So look at what you've got. A service people are totally desperate for, and almost nobody around is doing it. And here's something most folks miss. There's 2 kinds of customers waiting on you. 1, the do-it-yourselfer who wants to try it out himself. And 2, the guy who would never do it in 100 years and just wants to write you a check. That second guy, that's your bread and butter, and there's a lot more of him than there are of you. And fellas, it's not just homeowners, landlords, house flippers, apartment managers, the list goes on. They've got ugly counters by the dozen. You become their go-to guy. That's not one job, that's over and over, and that's a pipeline that feeds you all year. And here's why they say yes so fast. No tear out, no demolition, you pour it right over the counter they've got. No week without a kitchen, no ugly seams like slab stone. It's a lot cheaper, cleaner, faster than the granite guy can do. That's an easy yes at the kitchen table. That's not a job, my friend. That's a wide open lane with your name on it if you want. All you gotta do is merge. Okay guys, this is why I'm so fired up for this. You don't need years and years of training to do this. Mike at Remodel Resin, he's done the hard part. He spent the best part of his adult life perfecting the system to get that professional, natural stone look every single time. Now I know what you're thinking. You can't just watch some video with some artist swirling colors like Bob Ross on a good day and turn out and make life-changing money doing it. Well, you're wrong, guys. You're dead wrong. And here's the secret. It's a recipe. That's it. So many ounces of part A, so many ounces of part B, a 1-to-1 ratio, this many drops of black, this many scoops of silver. You mix it with the drill for 2 minutes. You pour it, you hit the bubbles with the torch, you drip a little rubbing alcohol on top, and it opens up into a marble pattern all by itself. Something spectacular. You just follow the card and directions like baking cookies. And get this, you almost can't ruin it. You mess up a spot, you've got extra to fix it. Line's too sharp, you drag a chopper across it, and now it looks like natural stone. The mistakes, they make it look better a lot of times. And I'm not kidding, guys. Mike proves this for you on camera over and over with his free training videos. And get this, he set his brand new daughter-in-law down. Straight A student, right? Never touched the stuff in her life, handed her the recipe, and she poured a countertop that looked like real stone the first try. Because the recipe did the work, not her. Now I'll shoot straight with you. Your very first pour might take you some time to get your feel for it. You'll fight a few bubbles probably, that's normal. Everybody's first one can be a little bit of a grind. But your third or fourth kitchen, you're fast, you're confident, and rolling. It's just getting in the reps, fellas. And the finish is bulletproof. There's a top coat that goes over the whole thing, machine flat, scratch resistant and heat resistant. You can set a hot pan on it or slide your keys across it and it holds. The old stuff, it used to yellow on the white counters. Mike solved that too. You're not getting a callback in 6 months. And callbacks, we all know, are what kill a contractor. Let me say that again because it's the whole video. The trade makes the money, not you. The technique can be taught. And that is exactly why a total beginner like you, sitting right here right now, can start this thing. Check this out.
Our resin education is designed to take you from novice level to pro experience. We're gonna teach you everything you need to know to turn old existing countertops into functional works of art. We're also gonna teach you to build new countertops, how to mix, how to prime, how to pour, how to top coat, and everything in between. These steps aren't difficult if you break them down just like that. Until next time, remember, you got this. I'll see you on the next video.
Remodel Resin, you got this.
Okay guys, you've met Mike. The channel is remodelresin.com, and this guy has taught more people to pour resin countertops online than anybody alive. That's not me blowing smoke, that's just the truth of it. He built a whole training center. He calls it Resin 101. Over 30 short sessions, bite-sized, how to mix, how to measure, how to pour, how to follow a color recipe. He even shows you how to rip that old laminate backsplash off first. There's quizzes, so it sticks. There's worksheets, the whole works. He'll tell you straight up what he could charge $2 grand for, and he's not. He's giving it away free. All he asks is that you subscribe to his channel and drop him a comment. That's the whole price. A subscribe and a hello. And don't just watch it once and figure you've got it. Prior planning prevents poor performance. We all know that, right? We talk about that here on the channel. So watch the lessons, take the little quizzes, do the worksheets, then pour a practice piece in your own garage before you ever touch a customer's kitchen. That's how you show up looking like a 10-year pro on day one. I'll drop the link right down in the description, so go get it. And I mean it. Pause me right now if you have to go grab it. It's free, and something tells me it won't be free forever. And hey, that's the video, right? 300 bucks of material, a free course from the best guy doing it. Go pour some counters, get rich, I'll see you later. Fellas, that's not how we do it here on JV Charles TV. So sit back down for a second, because if you stop right there, you're gonna fall flat on your face maybe. And I didn't make this to watch you fail, because knowing how to pour a counter and running a business that actually pays you can be two completely different animals. But it's the part I'm going to help you with right now, and it's the part that puts real cash in your pocket. Okay, getting the job. Here's the truth. Nobody likes to say it out loud, but the techniques Mike can show you, and trust me, it's amazing. But landing the customer is another animal. So here's how to start. It's pretty simple, really. Your first job, do it on your own kitchen or your buddies. Do it cheap. Do it for free even. It doesn't matter what you make on it, because you're not after money on job one, you're after photos. One gorgeous countertop and a phone full of pictures, that's your whole storefront right there. Then you post it. Facebook, Marketplace, your neighborhood page. Countertop refinishing that looks like stone for half the price. That's it. And here's the beautiful thing about this work. It sells itself because people can see it. Let me tell you a quick story, kind of off subject. Years back, I almost skipped a little job, right? It was a $120 tree trim for an older lady. It was 30 minutes out of town and I almost didn't even go. It was too far, too small, but I ended up going. And while I'm up there on the pole saw, trimming her back a little bit, two neighbors drove by. Both saw me, both stopped, both got out, and they asked me for a bid. I left that town with $450 cash in under 2 hours. Off a job I almost turned down. That's what visible work does. And a resin countertop is the exact same deal, except it's sitting in someone's kitchen where every guest sees it. You do one kitchen, the neighbor sees it. Her sister wants one. The lady from church wants one. One job, it could turn into 5. You stop chasing the work starts chasing you. So let's talk about what you actually charge. Keep it simple, $60 to $80 a square foot installed. A 40-foot kitchen lands you right around $3,000. You undercut the granite guy by thousands of dollars and you're still making a killing. On your first couple jobs, charge less if you want. Charge just to build your photo wall. And once you've got 5 happy customers, you charge full freight and never look back. Quick tip, guys, always take a deposit up front too, enough to cover your material at least. You never float a customer's $300 out of your own pocket if you can keep from it. Deposit buys the product. Their money, not yours. That's rule 1 of running any trade. And every kitchen opens 3 more doors. Ma'am, you want me to knock out that bathroom vanity while we're here? We can look at some samples. That fireplace hearth, little add-ons like that, guys, is cash money on the same trip. And one more tip, Mike nails. Stay close to home if you can. Driving 2 hours for a job? Draw us a little circle around your town on a map and work inside of it. Your gas stays cheap, your reputation spreads fast. That's the whole business. A phone full of photos, a circle on a map, and the guts to hit post. And do this long enough, you train a second set of hands. Now you're pouring 2 kitchens at once, really. That's the moment that stops being a side hustle and turns into a real booming business. And I'm telling you guys, this niche is going to be exploding. Every single time I see a beautiful countertop, people stop the scroll. So here's where you stand. A trade that turns $300 into $3,000. Free training from the best in the business, and a way to get your customers that cost you nothing but a phone and some nerves. So picture 6 months from now, guys, down the road and you've done 10 kitchens on nights and weekends. That's real money in your pocket. Work you did with your own 2 hands. Money no robot could ever take from you. The only thing between you and that is starting. So go grab that free training in the description, then figure out how to get your tools without going broke. Good news, I cover all that here on JV Charles TV, so make sure and check out my other videos on the end screen here. Guys, this is a huge opportunity, and the only thing holding you back is you. You got this. I'm JV, and I'll see you on the next one.